Let's go fishing on the other side of that dam. Here we go.
Catch me in the kitchen. They like, what you whipping? Catfish from the aquaquarium, you know that I be fishing. Yeah, I just dropped the bait, know the catfish on the way. Aquaquarium to the crease and then drop them on the plate.
Up early in the morning by the break of dawn.
Oh, y'all know we get up early now. Y'all better get it
to the river, gonna have some fun.
Wake up! Oh, we gonna have a fine at any time
Yes,
now.
I'm the catfish king of the aquaquarium.
The king now.
Boats hooked up.
Headed to
Rides
the
on the
river,
boat.
gonna have some fun.
Oh, yeah.
It's a cool
Yes, I'm the catfish king of the aquaquarium.
So we making music, y'all. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I got my grandson and his best friend, Sequan. They're walking up front. And hey, look, we are out in search of this dam that every time I pass by work, I pass over the bridge. So today I'm doubling back to see if I can get above the dam to go fishing. We'll see what that turns out to be. Other than that, y'all hang on. Here we go. And done. They tried to close it off. You gotta go in behind the fence. Turn your rod backwards, Quan. Turn your rod backwards. It's easy to go through. No, go to the left. Oh yeah, we got a little trail right here. Let's see how high will it go, or how high will it let us get. Because the water's right down there. So we're trying to get above the dam. We'll see what we get to in a minute. Be right back. And what are we looking at? A bunch of trees. It's a nice little walk though. Let's see. Go to the edge, look over and see what we're looking at. Aha. I'm seeing a walker cross up top. Or a fence one. It looks like we gotta go like there. Oh. Oh. I see a spot over there. Follow me. Oh, baby. Well, there's the dam, y'all. Now we got to get about, over to the other side of it. So, let's see what we got to do. Stay off the edge. Let's see here. Right over in there is where we're going to fish it. Where it just drops over the side, because you can't cast and you don't see no fish coming over the side of it. We want to get back. Let's go up and see what we can get to from there. Careful. Oh my gosh. Looks like we might have found a way to get down off in there. But let's just be careful going off in there. No, can't cross that barbed wire. That ain't gonna be the problem. Probably gonna be getting back up this dang rock.
Oh, yeah, definitely gonna be a
Okay, tell you what. Oh, I can get back out. Here, take that. Go. Cool. I think y'all be better off going around that way, coming down. If we can get down there, all three of us ain't gonna be able to get down there too good. Walk over about, well, hold on. Give me a rod and 2 pieces of chicken. All right. Just don't go that way. You'd be better off coming back up in here. That's right there. But you gotta come past me. Okay?
I gotta get past you?
Yes, sir, you do. Hold on 1 second. Just toss it out there and let it fall.
I should go bait right now.
Yeah, it's easier. I wish I thought about that when I was up there. I'm gonna toss it back up to you. Coming up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I finally got my line baited up. I'm gonna drop it right in here beside this dam on this side of it, like right down in front of me. First, I gotta make my way down there. Gotta be extra careful too. Hit it down. Damn, I should have went in on the other side. I started going down the wrong way. Gotta climb down this hill, y'all. Yeah. Using rocks as my base. Yeah, I'm finna get off in here. Right here behind this dam. Yes, sir, Bob. It's right there. Yeah. All right. Whew. I'm back. I'm almost made it, y'all. I'm going to right there on that little outcrop. Right down there. Yep. Catch this out there. Deep. You got it. I'm saying sit down and scoot if you have to. Just make sure you grab hold of something to where you're safe. There you go. And Quan is over here on this side, trying to ease his way down to the water. Quan, you look like you got a good spot over there. Yep. All right. Do you have room to cast, or can you just toss it, or what? Okay, be safe. Be safe first. Don't go close if you think you're gonna fall. Always have a secondary plan where you can grab hold to something. Ladies and gentlemen, Quan got over there and his bait fell off. He didn't quite bait it up good enough. So I'm finna toss him one of these pieces of chicken. Here you go. Almost. That was a good throw if you got it. Yep. All right. Beautiful. Just beautiful. All right, y'all, I got my pole right down there. So if something hits that, it's stuck between that tree. If something hit it, that pole is gonna stand up straight or pull out straight. You can't snatch it in the water. So that is safe. Jason, he has his set straight up. He found him a good prop. And we're just waiting. Quan, you can see him now. Yeah, he's out there about 20 feet maybe. And we're all just waiting. So hey, look, we just gonna be patient. Give this about 30 minutes of soaking in the water. We don't catch a fish by the end, we're gonna move downstream. Well, all right, let's see how good you can cast. Good shot. That's good. Let it fall. Let it fall. That's further out there than mine is. Everybody made it out safe. Let's go down that way. Don't fall, because I got it on tape if you fall. Everybody gonna laugh like a mother. Alright, he made it. Alright, y'all, we're underneath this bridge now. We're underneath 234. We're gonna fish here for about another 30 minutes or 20 minutes and call it a day. So, still trying to catch one. Hang in there. We'll see how we do. Peace. Good spot to go fishing though, if you could ever figure out what's in it. Feel that burn in your legs?
A little bit.
A little bit, yeah, I felt it too. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we went, we found what we was looking for. We got one, maybe two nibbles on my line. Jason broke his somehow. And Quan, man told him he fishing with too much weight. That man don't know we fishing for catfish. Out, away from them video games. So hey, look. Did y'all have fun?
Yeah, it was cool. The nature. I love the nature. Even though my line snapped.
Yeah, it's not just about coming out here and trying to catch fish. You gotta come out here and enjoy the people that you out here with.
And relaxing.
Come enjoy the life. Come get some sunlight. Don't be in the house all day. Don't be a bum. Don't be a bum. Come outside.
All right, y'all heard it. They teenagers getting ready to go to college. So look, they enjoy fishing. When they in college, they gonna miss it. So when they get back, they be like, Pop, take me fishing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be like, let's go.
And it's gonna be getting hot.
Yeah, it's gonna get hot. So I know they wanna get it in before they go off to college. But anyway, it's Catfish King, grandson, Jason, and his friend, Jaquan. And hey, we out. We enjoyed ourselves. Peace.